Okay, blue collar tourist, Hyatt Centric, Kuala Lumpur City Center. I got upgraded. I spent one night in another room, which is perfectly fine, but they did upgrade me to this. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and it was busy, so got to give Mom a break, and they moved me over. So this is the King Suite, King Studio Suite, Suite King, something like that. It was upgraded. 5,000 points a night, so I'm staying here for a week. So I spent 35,000. This is a Category 1 hotel, by the way. Spent 35,000 points. This room is about 286 a night. So if you want to value Hyatt at, 2 cents a point, I spent $500 for 6 nights here and 1 night in a room about half this size, but it was pretty cool. I had a balcony. There is no balcony in this room. Got the king size bed. It's Hyatt centric, so it's kind of minimalist, sleek, modern. Got a pretty big TV that you can Chromecast all your stuff, Netflix and all that. You have the bar here, and there is a mini bar in there with a few drinks, tiger beer and some juice, I believe. Got the little table here, dining area. Let's look at the bathroom. Huge tub. You got the sliding door, which I always like. I like that. It's like Japanese style. Sliding door. You have the rainfall shower head. Pretty big shower. His and her sinks. With the Be Kind soap and lotion. Got plenty of hanging rods for your stuff. I got coats. I've been traveling since winter in Chicago, so I feel like throwing those over, every bridge I see, or just giving them to somebody, but that car cost me like $150, so I'm not giving that up. You got the powder room, the safe, you got the scale, just to let you know. I lose weight when I'm in Asia all the time. Lost 40 pounds last time I was here. I lost 15 in about 3 weeks so far. So, I don't know, I just feel healthier here. You got the electric toilet, the Japanese electric toilet, life changer. Got the faucet here, pretty cool bathroom. The high floor view is like the highlight here. At night you'll get a full skyline view of Kuala Lumpur, and it's nice to just look out at it. Take a look at the view here. Right down there, that's the train. It goes, haven't been able to figure out the train lines here. You have the MRT and something else. So there's a subway and an elevated train line. It's not that difficult. I just haven't really had to use it. Everything that I've hung out in has been out in this area. That's the Petronas Tower right there, to give you some bearings. And right there is the Mandarin Oriental for more bearings. So Petronas, about 10-minute walk from here. Second floor of the Petronas. There's a mall. They got like a food court, and every Asian kind of food that you want is there. This is a nice property. They take care of you. It was nice of them to give me this upgrade. And this is the view from the tub. Not bad. So, I mean, Globalist comes in, right? It's not just breakfast. You get, an upgrade. So this is $2,000 worth of a room for really about $500 worth of points. So, you're squeezing value out of this. 7 nights, $500. You're going to spend the money anyway. So get that Bilt credit card, get that Chase credit card, and transfer them over to Hyatt, and you could do this for $100 a night worth of points. Nice pool, good breakfast. I'll film all that later. Thanks for watching.